Well guys, I'm fixing to take you on a video walking tour of the sports court here on the Allure of the Seas. I know they've got basketball court, they've got FlowRiders, a miniature golf course, and we're just going to go back here and check it out and see what all's back here. Here's the sports court. I've seen them play basketball in here, I've seen them play dodgeball in here, I've seen them play soccer in here. I would assume they probably play pickleball in here, although I haven't been back here when they was playing it. But that's what it looks like. Well, let's head up here. Like I say, it's a port day, so not a lot of people here. Let's go up and check out the FlowRider, and I'll get you a little higher shot of the actual basketball court. Well, here's the FlowRider. There's two of them. Looks like these guys over here boogie boarding. Here's the other water slide, or not, excuse me, the other FlowRider. She's actually really good. Here's the entrance to the zip line. I'll actually I'll throw a video clip of what it looks like going on that zip line right here. They ain't got it over on port day, but I will show you what it looks like. Well, for the guys that always ask, do they play pickleball on the Allure of the Seas? Well, here you go. Look like they got 3 pickleball courts. And looks like they got 4 in each court. They can play 12 players at a time. All right, here's the Abyss dry slide. I'm up here on deck 15, and this is, it comes out down on deck 6 in the boardwalk area. So you get on 15, and when you come out on deck 6. Let me walk back here and I'll kind of look over and show you what it looks like. I may have some videos. If I do, I'll throw them in, what it looks like from the other end. But you can see down there where it comes out. Here's a shot of the Allure Dunes miniature golf course. They got some cornhole or beanbag toss down here. Woo! Support day, none here. But I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll try to throw a clip in, show you what it looks like when it's crowded. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that little video walking tour of the sports court here on the Allure of the Seas. Hey, if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other cruise videos coming up on the end screen. Till next time, happy cruising.